Find the standard equation of the hyperbola with the given properties or general form. 4x squared minus 5y squared plus 32x plus 30y is equal to 1. So the given is a general form. So we will transform it to its standard equation of the hyperbola. Okay, so it's like the same to our circle, parabola, and ellipse, in which from general equation to standard equation, gamitan na to og um, completing the square sa iyang process. So from this one, 4x squared minus 5y squared plus 32x plus 30y is equal to 1. Let's combine like terms or like ilang variable. 42x squared plus 32x and then negative 5y squared plus 30y is equal to 1. So before we proceed to completing the square, we must factor this 1, ang iyahang x squared. The x squared must have 1 na dapat ang iyahang coefficient before ta mag completing the square. So we will factor this 1 pagawas na to ang 4. So diri ang 4, so 4x squared divide 4 is x squared. Next is 32x divide 4, that's 8x. So mag-stop na diri for this group. 4 times the quantity of x squared plus 8x. Next is the completing the square. Divide the coefficient of x by 2 and square it. So the coefficient is 8. 8 divided 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So we will add 16 here sa ilang kagrupo, and we will also add 16 to the right side together sa atong gifactor ganina or gipagawas, which is ang 4. So 4 times 16. Next is the y group. Here in the y group, this is negative 5y squared plus 30y. So, this time, again, ipagawas na po nato or i-factor nato ang 5 para 1 na lang ang coefficient sa y squared. So, negative 5y squared divide negative 5 is equal to y squared. Positive 30y divide negative 5 is negative 6y. And then, we will conduct or use the completing the square. So, divide the coefficient of y by 2, then square it. So, negative 6 divide 2 is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. So, we will add 9 here, and we will also add 9 here. Remember, we factor the negative 5 ganina. Gipagawas na itong negative 5. So, we will also use it diri sa right side. So, negative 5 times 9. So, may mo na ni siya subtraction diri. Ito ko sa negative 5 times 9. Okay, so next step. Ang result ani is, diba na pa man ang x squared plus 8x plus 16. This is a sum of a perfect square. So, in order to look para mabalaan na to ang iyahang factor, we will just divide by 2 ang coefficient of x. 8 divide 2 is 4. So, therefore, ang iyang coefficient is x plus 4 quantity squared. Just carry down the 4. Next is here, in this group, y squared minus 6y plus 9, it is also the sum of a perfect square. So, i-divide lang by 2 ang coefficient of y, which is negative 6. So, makuha na nato ang factor. So, negative 6 divide 2 is negative 3. So, ang iyahang factor is y minus 3 quantity squared. Just copy the negative 5. Okay, in this form, i-add pa nato ni siya. 1 plus 4 times 16 minus 5 times 9, which is 45. Ang iyang result is 20. So, at this form, we expect that this is hyperbola. So, let's 1 ang dapat nga 1 dapat ang nasa right side. Yan, constant sa right side. So, we will divide both sides by 20. Okay. 20 divide 20 Diba 1? So 1 is siya. So simplify 5 divide 20, that's 1 over 4. Diba 1 is siya over kani 4. So may masyag y minus 3 squared over 4. While 4 divide 20, diba that's 1/5. Kung imo nang i-simplify. Therefore, that is x plus 4 quantity squared over 5. So, ang yung standard equation sa ato ang kaning problem is quantity of x plus 4 squared over 5 minus quantity of y minus 3 squared over 4 is equal to y.